Welcome back to the last part of the Cabbages lab, part 3 on doing some string processing. So parts 1 didn't really use any of these methods at all. Part 2 we used length and compare to, and part 3 we're going to use this to uppercase method so that down here on step 3 we get the words all printed capital as well as the words at the end there. So to use the to uppercase method, here's the program we worked on for steps 1 and 2. So to use the to uppercase method, you need a string, and so it's string dot to uppercase. So there's a couple ways to do it. If you put dot to uppercase here, then before I display it, it'll go to uppercase. I can then also put that on top of longest word and last alpha. But it's easier if I just go ahead and put it on when I read the file from read the word from the file. So I could just put it here, dot to uppercase, and that's where it's important to remember the pieces, right? This is a file. When I say file.next, I get a string because next gives me a string. And so then when I say string dot to uppercase, I get an uppercase string. So we want to understand these pieces. So if that is still too much for you, you can store it in the variable, and then you can say that variable equals itself dot to uppercase. So a couple different ways to do it. So let's see what we get here. There we go. Everything is uppercase. So that is it. Very short one. I think we covered everything. So I hope to see you in the next video on palindrome. All right, happy coding.